What's up, enthusiasts? Welcome to Bavarian Enthusiast TV. My name is Will. I appreciate you checking out this channel. So welcome to my 95 993 Porsche 911 coupe. If you've been around the channel for a while, you'll know I've done a ton of content on this car, but I gotta be honest with you. I'm a little frustrated with this Porsche 911 right now. I have been experiencing a kind of a weird intermittent gremlin in the car. I think it has to do with the MAF sensor. So the car, it's not doing it right now, but it's had this really weird kind of faltering, jerking kind of action going on in the throttle. In fact, it stalled on me the other day, so I've had it in the shop once, and we had a struggle trying to, number one, replicate the issue, and when it did show up, it was hard to pin down what was going on. So my man Charles, he unplugged the MAF sensor and kind of dusted it off, cleaned it off, plugged it back in, and lo and behold, the problem pretty much went away. He wasn't totally sold that that was the fix. I was not totally sold that that was the fix, so I asked him to go ahead and order a new MAF sensor. So today I'm going to take this car over there and I'm going to have him put that in, and I think I'm just going to have to drive it to see if the issue shows back up. I absolutely hate issues like this that are elusive and troubling. This is a 95, so the OBD1 is the system here for diagnosing issues in the computer, and so it doesn't give you a lot of data. Anyway, point is this, today's video, I'm going to have Charles walk us through installing the sensor, so you'll get a little bit of content there. I don't know if you're here to see this video just to learn how to do this job, but if you are, hopefully this helps. So what I'll do is, at the end of this video, I'll drive the car and tell you whether or not it's running better. Okay, so that seemed to be a pretty simple job. I'm sorry I didn't give you kind of like a step-by-step, that kind of thing's available on Pelican Parts. I will put a link in the description to the how-to article on Pelican. We went and took this car out for a test drive. So far it feels good. It stopped twitching. The way the problem was showing up is it would kind of hesitate at intermittent points as you were accelerating. And it got so bad at a certain point where it was trying to see here. Feels good. It would get to a certain point where it would kind of hesitate, and then also it got so bad where it was stumbling, and then it actually stalled on me. After he unplugged the MAF sensor, dusted off the plug and plugged it back in, the issue stopped, but the power still felt kind of suppressed, and the exhaust note, oddly enough to me, sounded like it had changed a little bit. So anyway, now I feel like, it's at least something has been changed meaningfully. So I'm going to put some seat time in here, and hopefully the problem will have been fixed. I appreciate you checking out this video today, and you know, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing more work like this. So thanks for watching.
All right.